Why do schools maintain student diaries? I mean, what's the real benefit for students, parents, and teachers?
That diary is not for you for today's day. It is for you to learn how to make those points and things when you grow more in life, because you have more things to handle then. It won't be just one English, Hindi, maths homework. It'll be so many things. You have to go for a meeting, you have to discuss, you have to write, you have to make points, you have to do that. And children don't understand that the diary is for that. We are not again teaching you how to keep a diary in your bag or something. No, we are teaching you how to write your points, because we will forget. We are humans. Everybody has. And with pressure, you forget more. The stress, the pressure, you will suddenly forget. So we are teaching you diary keeping for this. कि कल आप किसी मीटिंग में जाओगे, कहीं आप कुछ जाओगे, आपने लिखा हुआ है, you just go through it and you can do it.